In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer stocks from Robinhood to etrade. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly manage all of the stocks that you have available on Robinhood and transfer them directly into an etrade brokerage account. So to do this, you will have to do this process through the etrade website. So instead of going over to robinhood.com, go to etrade.com. Keep in mind that Robinhood has a page dedicated on the support website teaching you how to transfer your assets out, as you can see here, and there might be fees included. So all the process is very simple and quite automated. You must be aware of any limitations or fees. So I highly recommend that you pause here and you are aware of all of this. Take some time and read through everything. Now, in order for you to transfer, go over to etrade.com like I mentioned, and the very first thing that you have to do is hover over account types and then choose the option to open a brokerage account. So you click on open an account, you select brokerage, continue, and go through all of the process. Now, I got a warning here telling me that they won't be able to proceed at this current time, so I either have to call them here or wait for another time. So keep that in mind. Depending on the time that you apply, they might not be accepting new applications, so either call them at this number or follow the instructions listed, but you will have to set aside some time to get this account open. Once you have the etrade brokerage account open, what you can do is look for the option to fund my account. So use the search function or go to Google and then look for fund my account. And now you will be able to find transfer an account 10 or more business days. Transferring an account simply means moving all of your assets, cash, and securities from an outside financial institution to etrade. So you can click learn more if you are still curious. All that you need here are going to be the name of your delivering financial institution, so Robinhood, the account number at that financial institution, and then the registration, which proves your ownership of the account. So all that you have to do now is click transfer. Now, you will have to sign into your account before proceeding, and after you sign in, like I said, the process is quite automated. I apologize for not being able to demonstrate this on screen, but it is very simple to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer stocks from Robinhood to etrade. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.